Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about periodicity and extreme values. My dear students, right now I will take some example. Sin of x is there. The function sin of x, we are taking some f of x. So, dear students, on both sides we are taking some 2 pi plus x. Okay students, now this is we can written as sin of 2 pi plus x equal to students sin of x. 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta is the first quadrant. Sin is a positive. All trigonometric ratios are positive. Therefore, sin of 360 plus theta sin theta. So f of 2 pi plus x is what is the sin x is f of x. Similarly students, when we are taking f of x equal to cos x, replaced by x is the students 2 pi plus x, that is the students cos of 2 pi plus x. Cos 360 plus theta is the cos theta. So students, this is cos of x. Now this is the students f of x. This is also first quadrant. So my dear students, suppose we are taking f of x equal to tan x. So dear students, replaced by x is for the tan pi plus x. That is the students tan of pi plus x equal to, in third quadrant tan is positive. So this is we got tan of x. So f of x. So what is our definition is the students? A real function f is mapping a to r is said to be a periodic function. Is said to be a periodic if there exists a positive real number p such that f of p plus x equal to f of x for all x belongs to a. The smallest such value of p is called the period of f or fundamental period of f. My dear students, this is very important. When f of p plus x equal to f of x is said to be periodic. The smallest such value of the real value, the smallest real value p, the smallest real value p is called period of f or fundamental period of f. So dear students, a real function f is mapping a to r is said to be periodic if there exists a positive real number, this is p. There exists a positive real number p such that f of p plus x equal to f of x for all x belongs to a. The smallest such value of p is called the period. My dear students, what we observed? The f of p plus x equal to f of x, the smallest positive real value p is called the periodic function. Okay students, so here what we observed, sin 2 pi plus x is f of x. After that, sin of 4 pi plus x, sin of 6 pi plus x, sin of 8 pi plus x, these are all sin x, but the smallest positive real value 2 pi is called the period of sin x. Here also the smallest positive real value 2 pi is called the period of cos x. When we observe here the tan of 2 pi plus x also, the tan of 2 pi plus x also tan x, tan of 3 pi plus x also tan x, but the smallest positive real value pi is called the period of tan x. Okay students, a real function, what is the students? A real function f is mapping a to r is said to be a periodic. Okay student, is said to be periodic if there exists a positive real number p. If there exists a positive real number p such that f of p plus x equal to f of x for all x belongs to a, then the smallest such value of p is called period of the f or the fundamental period of f. So the period of sin x is the 2 pi, Period of cos x is the 2 pi. Period of the tan x is the pi. Similarly, the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. The reciprocal of sine is the students cosecant. The period of cosecant x is also 2 pi, and the reciprocal of secant, reciprocal of cos is the secant. The period of secant x is also 2 pi, and the period of cot x, is also pi. Are you understand, students? The smallest positive real number p is called period if f of p plus x equal to f of x. Okay, students? My dear students, if f is mapping a to r, if f is mapping a to r is a periodic function, what is the students? Periodic function of period p. So my dear students, if f is mapping a to r is a periodic function of period p, then f of ax plus b, what is the students? Then f of ax plus b plus k is also periodic function of period 2 pi by mod a, 2 pi by modulus of a, where modulus of a is not equals to 0, where modulus of a not equal to 0. What is the students? The if f of x is a periodic function of period p, what is the students? If f is mapping a to r, so what is the students? If f of x is a periodic function, if f of x where f is mapping a to r, if f of x where f is mapping a to r is a periodic function of period p, then f of ax plus b plus k is also periodic function of period 2 pi by modulus of a. My dear students, is there sine of 4x is there, 4x plus 5 suppose. I will take one example, sine of 4x plus 5. So we have to know that, dear students, sin x having the period, just now we discussed 2 pi, but our formula just now we discussed the f of ax plus b plus k also periodic function of period 2 pi by modulus of a. Therefore students, undoubtedly the sine of 4x plus 5 having the period is, how to write the students? 2 pi by modulus of a, that is undoubtedly pi by 2. Undoubtedly students, pi by 2. Suppose it is right or wrong, just you can verify it, students. What we got here? Pi by 2. So my dear students, when we are taking this is f of x, f of 90 plus x we are taking on both sides, f of 90 plus x. So students, this can be written as the sine of, how to write the students? Sine of 4 into, what is the students? We can written as the sine of 4 into, yes, the sine of 4 into 90 plus x is there, we can replace it by 90 plus x. What students we can write? The replaced by x is 90 plus x, yes, 4 into 90 plus x plus 5. So dear students, what we observe the student, this is 4 into pi by 2, 2 pi, after then 4x plus 5. So we are know that this will be theta, this is 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi plus theta, what is the students? Sine of 2 pi plus theta lies in first quadrant. this is sine of theta. So sine of 4x plus 5. Again we got f of x. So students, when we are taking f of 90 plus x, we got f of x. So what is the period is students here? This is pi by 2. Pi by 2. What is the definition of the periodic function? If f of p plus x equal to f of x, if f of p plus x equal to f of x, f is said to be periodic function. The smallest positive real number p is called the period of f. So students, here 90 is the period. So there is a shortcut is there students, 2 pi by, what is the students? 2 pi by modulus of a. 2 pi by modulus of a. Okay students, right now we discussed some formulas. Just 1 minute students. Our formulas: sin of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b, tan of ax plus b. Okay students, now the period of now students, first we find the period of trigonometric functions. So dear students, period of periods of sin x, cos x, cosecant x, secant x is 2 pi. Either period of sin x or cos x or cosecant x or secant x is the 2 pi. And dear students, the period of tan x and cot of x is pi. Tan x and cot of x is the pi. After that students, the period of sin of ax plus b, the period of sin of ax plus b and cos of ax plus b, cosecant of ax plus b. After that students, secant of ax plus b is the students 2 pi by modulus of a. The period of sin of ax plus b, comma cos of ax plus b, cosecant of ax plus b, secant of ax plus b is the 2 pi by modulus of a. Then students, the period of what is the students? The period of tan of ax plus b and cot of ax plus b. Tan of ax plus b and cot of ax plus b is pi by modulus of a. Okay students, now this is the second point. After that student, the third point is the period of modulus of sin x, comma modulus of cos x, modulus of tan x, modulus of cot x, modulus of cosecant of x, modulus of secant of x is, that is pi. What is the students? That is always pi. Since students, suppose we are taking f of x equal to mod of sin x replaced by pi plus x, that is the students sine of pi plus x, which lies in third quadrant, minus of sin x. In modulus, minus is the plus. Therefore, again we got mod of sin x. The least positive real number, pi, is called the period. Okay student, period of mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x, mod of cot x, mod of cosecant x, modulus of secant x is always pi. Okay students. After that students, we can take an as sin power nx. Next point is the students, the period of sin power nx, cos power nx. So undoubtedly students, the period of sin power nx, cos power nx, cosecant power nx, secant power nx is always what is even. The period is pi, that is odd, must be the period is the 2 pi. Okay students, period of, all of you listen here, the period of sin power nx, cos power nx, cosecant power nx and secant power nx is always pi if n is even, always 2 pi if n is odd. Dear students, suppose f of x is there even, when we are taking even, then it is sin square of x. We can written as the students f of pi plus x, sin square of pi plus x, sin of 180 plus theta, sin of 180 plus theta, third quadrant minus sin theta, minus square is the plus. So this is the student sin square of x, sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta minus square is the plus. So students, this is f of x. F of pi plus x equal to f of x. F of pi plus x equal to f of x. So student, this pi is called, what is the students? Pi is called period. Pi is called the students period of f of x. So pi is called the students period of f of x. Okay students, after then we can written as f of x equal to, suppose students we are taking some sin x or sin cube x, we have to know that either sin x or sin cube of x, this is the only possible for, this is only possible for 2 pi plus x, that is first quadrant, sin cube of x. So if n is odd, undoubtedly period 2 pi, n is even, period pi. Okay students, after then students, the period of tan power nx and cot power nx is either even or odd, always pi. What is the students? The period of tan power nx into cot power nx. Okay students, the period of tan power nx and cot power nx, the period of tan power nx and cot power nx is always pi. Okay students, if n is either even or odd, what is the students? The period of tan power nx and cot power nx is always pi if n is either even or odd. Okay students, the period of tan x, tan square x, tan cube x, tan power 4x is always pi. Okay students, so this is the formulas of either n even or odd for tan. After then students, we have to take the period of my dear students, the period of x minus step x. My dear students, x minus step x is always 1. Since students, how can you write this is f of x is the, we can written as replace it by 1 plus x. This is 1 plus x. After then 1 plus x, this is 1 plus x. Step 1 is the 1 minus of step x. So dear students, x minus step x, this equal to f of x. We are taking, suppose 2 plus x, we got f of x. Suppose if you are taking f of 3 plus x, again we got, again undoubtedly we got, dear students, f of x. So the least positive value in which 1, 2 or 3, that is only 1. Therefore students, the period of x minus step x is the 1. Okay students, suppose my dear students, is there 2x, step of 2x, undoubtedly students, the period is the 1 by 2. What is the students we are taking? The period is the 1 by a. So the period is the 1 by a. Suppose students we are taking here, how to write this is f of 1 by 2 plus x. 2 into, my dear students, replaced by x is 1 by 2 plus x. After that students, 2 into 1 by 2 plus x. Are you understand students? How can you write this is the students? When it is a multiplication 1 plus 2x. This is the students 1 plus 2x. So my dear students, this is 1 plus 2x minus of 1 minus of 2x. So 1 1 cancel. 2x minus f of 2x is the f of x. So undoubtedly the period is here the 1 by 2. What is the students? Period is the 1 by 2. Now students, the period of we can written as the period of ax minus step of ax is the students 1 by a. The period of ax minus step of ax is the 1 by a. Is it clear students? The period of ax minus step of ax is the 1 by a.